Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing another pill case, showing it for you guys. That way you know what you're getting. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if it's real leather, but it looks like real leather. You got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Little spot up here to put extra things. Each pill case sat morning, evening, or however you want to dictate that. And each one pops open. You got a divider separating each time of the day. Nice plastic. Nice holder. Nice pill case. And it's nice and convenient too, because this carrying case, they easily go back in. They all fit in perfectly, so it's easy to put it right back in. And it's good for storage too. Overall, nice.